Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to check CPU temperature in Windows 10 or 11. So let's begin. So I would like you to look for this software or website HUNFO. It's actually a great and reliable software in checking your CPU. So download and make sure to install this right away. Then I'll just show you how it works since I've already have this on my computer. So it will actually show here on your hidden icons. And this is my CPU temperature, as you can see. It's showing in here the minimum, maximum, and average temperature my CPU can handle. So you can actually click on this, which is the software itself, and select uh, which CPU related information you would like to be posted here, aside from the temperature. But that's it. I hope you found this video very helpful.